This is a chin strap to help you keep your mouth closed at night. I actually got it from my daughter because she is a mouth breather and she wears a CPAP. And so I'm not sure how it's going to work with her, but it kind of looks like it's squishing my ears, but it really isn't. It's pretty comfortable. It is actually keeping my mouth shut when I'm not talking. But it's soft. It's really not squishing my ears. There's two adjustments, one on the top and then there's one in the back, so you can get it to fit right. But I think it just may work for her. So we'll see, but it is comfortable and soft.